Ever feel like you're missing out on life's opportunities because of social anxiety? Well, today I'm going to tell you 3 game-changing steps to take back control of that fear. Number 1, start small. How about a little stroll to the coffee shop? How about a little small gathering? Nothing too big and overwhelming. Just start small. Number 2, change that self-talk. If you hear yourself saying the word try, change it. Try always implies failure. I'm tried to come out. Oh yeah, I'll try to help you. Or I'll try to get the work done. Just change that word try to, yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do my best to be there. Change your words. Change your mindset. And number 3, positive self-talk. Change those thoughts from saying, oh, I'm going to embarrass myself. This is going to be the worst thing ever, to how about, or what if this is actually going to be fun? What if I'm going to have a great time? What if I might actually meet some wonderful, amazing people? Until next time, my friends, I'm off out. Bye-bye for now.